Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Caddy on your server. By the end of this video you'll have Caddy up and running. First we need to add the official repository. Run this command to set it up. Next, import the GPG keys to ensure the package security. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Now let's update our package and install Caddy using these commands. Now that Caddy is installed, open your web browser and enter your server IP address. You should see the Caddy welcome page. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching Mevo Cloud.